Creating an announcement or ad that tries to raise awareness or change the public's mind about an issue is called a public service announcement. And in this screencast, I'll be talking about how I made my PSA and the designs that went into it. But first, my name is Brandon Johnson, and I'm a student at the University of Idaho studying fire ecology. Since I'm a student of fire, I wanted to do a PSA about raising the awareness of how fire can impact something we all have probably been to: national parks. So for my first step, I wanted an image that would catch the eye of someone walking by. The bright orange of fire-burning trees usually catches the eye of someone, so I decided to make that my background. The second step was coming up with a catchy phrase that'll stick in someone's mind the next time they're at a park and starting a campfire. It didn't take long for me to come up with the phrase, "That one spark can burn the whole park." It's somewhat catchy, rhymes, and gets the message that I want to across to the viewer. After I came up with the phrase, I needed to create a color for the font. I didn't want something too bright and flashy to ruin the mood of the poster, but I needed it to stand out and not blend in with the background. So I made it super light burnt orange. It stands out enough to be able to read it, but also goes well with the background. For my third step, I needed a picture that represented my cause and would go well with fire. I believe Smokey the Bear is the most famous PSA character of all time. Pretty much everyone knows who he is. So I chose to use Smokey the Bear for my main focal point. I did this by putting him in the middle. I also wanted a picture of Smokey that wasn't happy. I believe that this is a serious topic, and a happy bear just doesn't get the point across. So I used an angry-looking Smokey that had the same contrast of colors with my background to blend in. Now when someone looks at the poster, they'll be drawn in by the bright colors of the background and focus in on Smokey, then go to the message. For my last step, I wanted to refer people to a place to get more information. So I used the logo of the U.S. Forest Service and the National Park Service. These are two very well-known departments that help maintain and protect our forests and national parks. And if anyone wants to get more information about how they can help, they can either go to their local agency departments or go online and just search for them. Finally, we have created a PSA that draws the attention of someone by using contrasting colors, closure, and typography that stands out. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.